Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Insider, and today we'll be doing a review of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro True Wireless Stereo TWS earphones, and it was released on 10th August 2022 alongside the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, 44mm and 40mm, Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro also. And we have reviewed the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4. Check it out if you haven't, and comparison between those two foldables also, and the watch also we have done the review. Check it out if you haven't, the Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. And we'll be doing the comparison between those two watches also, so stay tuned for that. For that you have to subscribe, and let's begin with the review of this earbud or earphone, you can say. General brand is Samsung. Models Galaxy Buds 2 Pro True Wireless Stereo TWS earphones. Release date is 10th August 2022. Type as earphones, headphone. Type as in ear connectivity. True Wireless Stereo. Let's go to the product details.
Microphone, yes. Water resistant IP into 7. Weight 5.50 grams. Weight with case 4.3.0 grams. Now let's go to battery feature.
Yes, now we're going to the battery details of this phone. We're going to know that its battery details is like what its battery features are amazing because it's having a battery life of 29 hours with the case total, and its battery capacity is 61 mAh, and which is earpieces. And its battery capacity is 515 mAh for its case. So that's all for today's